You're how far out now after you had a total hip?
3 weeks tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
And he's been driving for at least a week.
Yeah.
He didn't take any oxycodone.
For maybe a week and a half tramadol.
Okay.
And then I wanted to drive, and Nancy said that best to not have anything in my system. So from then, week and a half, I have been only on Excedrin.
Okay.
And boy, pain, very minor pain.
Never passed a 2. They'd ask, 1 to 10, and he'd say a 1, or not at all because I'm sitting, or 2 at the most when he was doing physical therapy.
So you went home the same day.
Went home the same
Yes.
day.
And what was your function like?
I used a walker, and put, for the first at least week, maybe week and a half, I used ice packs.
We were diligent with the ice.
And they remarkably did, took all of my swelling down. I could walk around the house. I had in-house, VNA came out for physical therapy. And after physical therapy, this much pain, very, very little pain. After physical therapy, every day, to right now, every day was a little less pain, noticeably. A little less pain, a little less pain. After the exercise, I do the exercises regularly. Let's see, Sunday, whether my doctor, Mr. King, Dr. King, wanted, I went to Nate Piper's Strawberry
He went
Bank
to
boat
volunteer.
shop. Yeah, and I was there.
How long did you use the walker?
Not even a week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe
okay.
3
So you were
days.
walking pretty quickly, about 3 days maybe?
Yeah, I mean, around the house, sometimes with the cane, sometimes not, but he was totally independent from the time he got home. I mean, I would shadow him, but I didn't have to help him. I didn't have to assist him. I just stood behind him or in front of him, so, to make sure he was doing it safely, but I didn't have to help him in and out of bed, anything.
And so your function, how would you describe the overall experience?
Remarkable, absolutely
Incredible.
remarkable. It wasn't anything that I thought it was what I wished for, but nothing. I was prepared for pain, lack of mobility, for things that I didn't want to have, and I was very surprised and pleased, more pleased and surprised that I've had a very, very pleasant recovery.
Good.
Yeah, and I intend to continue that. Yeah.
Well, this is exactly what we mean by avatar. So this is what this program is about, is getting people, you don't have to spend a night in the hospital, and you can be up and around, and it sounds like you've already returned to doing activities, doing life, and really that's what we're about.
Yeah.
So I'm glad you've done that.
Yeah, me too.
It's great.
Me too. Very, very much. I thank you very, very much.
My pleasure.